Hey guys, what's going on? It's Rekt Capital and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be focusing on a realistic analysis of what's going on with Ethereum's price action. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future, and let's dive right in. This orange area used to be an area of resistance, rejecting price quite significantly. In fact, this resistance area rejected price into a falling wedge, which has since begun a new uptrend for Ethereum. And in that uptrend, Ethereum was able to weekly close above this previous major resistance area, effectively penetrating it and showcasing to us that sell side pressure is no longer as strong as it was back here. And in fact, we were able to see a successful retest of this support area. And not only that, but in the weeks that have since followed, we've seen a weekly black high low develop here, showcasing to us that whenever Bitcoin, or at least Ethereum, whenever Ethereum dips into this previous resistance area, now turned major support area, every time we see a dip into this area, we see buy-side mentality. We see a buy-side mentality where dip buying is increasingly stronger. People are happy to buy Ethereum at a premium on the dip. And it looks like we might be seeing yet another dip for Ethereum, but towards the weekly high-low over here. And what this weekly high-low is going to show us is that this buy-side dip mentality is continuing, of course. This high-low needs to hold here, because if it doesn't hold, then we're going to revisit this support area. And that's, of course, where we see a lot of interesting demand. That's where we see major demand, because previously this was a major resistance, and there's reason to believe that this will be a major support conversely. But of course, this black high-low over here is the one to watch out for, because we weren't able to break past this resistance over here. But at the same time, this high-low is indicating to us that there is sufficient buy-side pressure. In fact, this long downside wick was terrific buy-side pressure from the buyers, which actually bought on the dip at a premium. So, of course, this is a trouble area over here. But if we're able to dip here, hold this high-low, then this high-low could give rise to an ascending triangle where we're seeing this buy-side dip mentality continue, and as a result, weaken this resistance over here. That's an interesting thing to watch out for, because overall, if you pay attention to this overall macro price predicament here, you can make a case for a U-shaped reversal on the macro scale. And of course, this could be a reaccumulation error before we continue that U-shaped reversal. And the U-shaped reversal that I was talking about, or I'm mentioning here, is one I was mentioning a few weeks back, where we're seeing U-shaped reversal, a U-shaped recovery here ever since we broke out from this falling wedge here. So this could be reaccumulation before we see further upside as part of that U-shaped recovery. And one of the best evidence for that is Cardano's price action, which is effectively, a few weeks back, had an identical price predicament, because this is a falling wedge, right? And this is a U-shaped reversal, and Cardano tends to lag behind Ethereum. But as we all know, Cardano actually broke past its final major resistance area of $2.30. So that's right over here. And in the few weeks that have since passed, what a breakout it's been. And we actually saw Cardano rally to $3 almost. So you're actually seeing that Cardano is not lagging anymore. It's actually leading Ethereum. With Ethereum leading Cardano before, now the roles have reversed. So interesting to see that. And I'm going to make a Cardano video for you guys shortly, so stay tuned for that one. But in any case, that's about it for today's video update on Ethereum. Ethereum is respecting this high-low, weekly high-low. It's also preparing, still respecting that macro U-shaped reversal where Ethereum is potentially lagging behind Cardano and Cardano leading altcoins in general. Let's see how we continue to see this possible ascending triangle continue to form in between this resistance area and this major support area. Notice how big this major support area is versus how small this resistance area is. And as long as this high low will continue to persist, then this resistance area will give way into uptrend continuation to fully complete this U-shaped reversal, which Cardano has already actually acted on. In any case, guys, that's about it for today's video update. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future. And of course, like the video if you enjoyed this one, just to see more content like this going forward. I'm Rekt Capital, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Speak to you soon.